Today is day 100 of Wealth Sprint, 100 consecutive days of finance content. And today I want to use one of the most remarkable statistics of 2026 to make the most important point this channel has ever made. S&P 500 companies are expected to post year-over-year earnings growth of 38% in the second quarter of 2026, far more than original expectations according to FactSet. Let that number sink in. 38% earnings growth in a single quarter, in a year that has had oil crises, geopolitical conflicts, Fed uncertainty, the Strait of Hormuz closing, the Panama Canal disrupting, the Magnificent Seven losing $2.3 trillion, and endless headlines screaming about economic doom. Through all of it, the underlying businesses that make up the S&P 500 grew their earnings by 38%. This is the single most important argument for staying invested in diversified index funds through uncertainty that I have ever been able to present with live current data. Think about what happened to investors who watched the Magnificent Seven lose $2.3 trillion in June and sold everything in panic. They locked in their losses. They missed the recovery. They missed the broader market earnings growth that continued underneath the tech volatility. Think about what happened to investors who watched oil spike to $87 per barrel and decided to wait until the geopolitical situation was clearer before investing. The situation is never clear. The market does not wait for clarity. The investors who simply stayed in their diversified index funds through all of it, the Iran conflict, the Fed uncertainty, the tech sell-off, the shipping disruptions, are sitting on a portfolio that reflects 38% earnings growth from the companies they own, 100 days of news, one consistent message. You cannot predict what the market does next week. You can participate in what companies earn over decades. Those are two completely different activities. Most people attempt the first. Wealthy people do the second. If you are not yet invested, today is day 100 of this channel making the case. The case has never been stronger than right now, with live data showing 38% earnings growth in the most chaotic quarter of recent memory. Open the account, fund it, automate it. Join the people participating in what companies actually earn.